Good morning, students. Welcome back to Atmiya Green School. I'm Afrin Syed, your English teacher. Students, as you already know, that you are going to have your examinations this time virtually. That is, you'll get the link in your groups. Okay, you have to click on that links, and that link will take you towards this page. That is your online examination, where you can see on the top you'll find the name of your school. Below that you'll see here I have written revision for periodic test 1, and then you'll get the question. So here the streak mark with required says that you have to attend the question compulsory. Without attending the question you cannot move forward. For example, mm, if I directly choose the here I have I'm doing this form on PC. So this is allowing me to attend some other question. Otherwise, this won't take you to the next page in your mobile phones. In your small screen, it will not allow you to go on the next screen. Okay. Even though if I complete the entire if I once I have completed the entire form, and if I directly submit, I'll directly click on submit, then it will not allow me to submit because I have not filled this main question which had the required mark. That means that this is compulsory. Without this I cannot move forward. So here full name of the student with class. So I'll write my full name like Afrin Syed, standard 5th. Okay. So once I have written this, I'll move towards the question. So here the question is, what is meaning of troughs? Now here you can see that along with the meaning of troughs, that is, there are four options given to me. Okay, whether it is long narrow container, long broad container, wide and narrow container, broad and narrow container. So among these four options given to me, there is one correct answer. Okay, among these four option given to me, there is one correct answer. Now I have to find out that which one is the correct answer. So I have already learned. My chapters. I have gone through the meanings. I have gone through the chapter thoroughly. I did my course book exercise, and I have learned meanings too. So I'll be knowing the answer of this question. So I think, or I know that the correct answer is long narrow container. So I'll tick on long narrow container. Okay. Now whether the answer is correct or wrong, that will not be known for now. I'll get the answer that whether I chose the correct answer or wrong answer after I submit my form. Okay. So once I have completed question 1, I'll move towards question 2. Now question 2 says that grandma's trying to show importance of. So what is grandma trying to show? So we know that it is trying she's sorry, that she is trying to show the importance of salt. So I'll see that in these four options, that sugar, salt, spices and none, there is option given salt, and I know that salt is the correct answer. So I'll go and take on the correct answer, salt. Okay. Now, the next question is, the footprint of an animal is what is known as. So it is a fill in the blank kind of question. Okay, that the footprint of an animal is it pug mark? Is it a foot mark? Is it a fit mark or a none? Suppose I choose the foot mark as the correct answer. Okay, then I'll move towards the next question. Now, my next question is, a pangolin that is scampering through the undergrowth. Now give the synonym of a word in the bracket. So I have to find out the synonym of the word which is given in the bracket. So it is scampering. So I'll go through the option. Whether scampering means strolling? No. Whether it means looking? No. Whether it means tearing? No. Whether it means running? Yes, I know the correct answer is running. So I'll take on the correct answer, running. Okay. Then suppose you want uh, then after selecting the option of running, I think that no, it's not the correct answer. So what I'll do, you can see the clear selection at clear selection, and I think that looking is the correct answer. So I'll choose on looking, and then I move forward towards the next question. Now here, at what time Jane Goodall wakes up? So I'll find the correct answer. So I think that 5:30 is the correct answer. So I'll choose on 5:30. Okay. Now, next, moving towards the next question. Here, you can see students, there is a rows and column kind of thing. Um, just like you are doing match the following, it is something just like a match the following. Look, we have rows which says biscuits and lorry, and then on the top you can see truck and cookie, which says whether the biscuit is a truck or cookie. Now I have to find that biscuit means truck or cookie. I guess cookie is the correct answer. So I'll choose cookie. You have to choose any one of it. Okay. Then lorry. So I have to go that whether it is a truck or a cookie. So I guess it is a truck. So I'll choose on the correct answer. Okay. So you'll get this kind of match the following thing. Then moving forward. So this is a kind of grammar in which I have given that identify kind of adjective. So here you have the list of adjectives, and here on the top you can see you have the kinds. So suppose here the first one is Indian. Okay. So I'll check that whether Indian is possessive, whether it is interrogative, whether it is a number, whether it is a quantity, whether it is a quality, or whether it is a demonstrative. And if I think that Indian is a quality type of adjective, so I'll take on quality. Okay, then I'll move towards some. Then I'll check again whether it is a possessive, whether it is interrogative, whether it is a number, or is it a quantity. I guess it is a quantity. So I'll put a correct mark on quantity. Okay, then again I'll check many. So many is possessive? No. Whether it is interrogative? No. Is it number? I guess yes. So I'll put the mark on number. Then here it is that. So I'll check. Is it possessive? No. Is it interrogative? No. Is it number? Is it number? No, not at all. Is it a quantity? No. Is it a quality? No. Is it demonstrative? Yes. So I'll click on demonstrative. Now, whose? Is it possessive? No. Is it interrogative? Yes. If you can remember, interrogative means WH. So here I'll click on the correct answer WH. Then R, I guess it is possessive. So I'll go. Huh. Maybe it's a demonstrative. Maybe it is a quality. Suppose, maybe, no. So I guess the correct answer is possessive. Okay. Students, you may have like R can even you may have the options, you may have the question which have the similar answer. So you can even take on the interrogative if you think that R is an interrogative. Okay, then we have complete the sentence. Mom had to go back to England. Now you can see on very right hand corner you have the um, marks which says 2 point. That means that my question carries 2 marks. Now I'll drop down, I'll click on this arrow and I'll get two options over here. So suppose I choose after 4 months to manage things at home or after few months so as to manage things at home. So suppose I think that the second one is the correct answer. So I click on the second. Okay. Then I'll move towards. Here I have a paragraph which says read the paragraph given below and choose the correct answer. So you will get the paragraph from your textbook itself. You will not get any paragraph which is unseen. You will get the paragraph from your textbook. You have to read this paragraph and answer the questions given below. So I'll read the paragraph. The school tradition that Martha longed to follow was of winning the gold and green jacket that was awarded to the class valedictorian. Martha's older sister had won the jacket a few years before, and Martha herself, who was a student since the first grade, was also expected to win it. I repeat again, students, you'll not get the paragraph which is not in your textbook. You'll get the paragraph only and only which is present in your new pathways book. Okay, this this paragraph which is given in this practice test is not in your textbook, but whichever you'll get in your exam will belong to your textbook only. Okay, so what was Martha longing for? So Martha was longing for winning the gold and green jacket to the class valedictorian. That is from the paragraph itself. Answer is then Martha's older. So here it is given Martha's older sister. So I'll drop down and I'll search for sister. Okay. So here sister is the correct answer which is given. So I'll choose sister. Okay. Then what I'll do, I'll go back and I'll check that whether I have uh, attend all the questions or not. Once I see that I have attended all the questions and I'm sure with my answers, I'll submit my form. I have already submitted my form, and after submitting, I can immediately see the answer. Okay, so you'll get the result on the spot. So I'll see the score, that how much I have scored. So I'll click on view score. This will lead to me over here, which says that out of 18 questions, I got 13 as correct answers. So I got 13 out of 18. Okay, so there were total 18 questions, but I got 13. But this is to inform you, student, that this is a practice test, and only because this was a practice test, there were only 18 questions given over here. But in your examination, you will get total 50 questions. I repeat, you'll get total 50 questions in your examination, and from which you'll get 30 question which carries 1 mark. I repeat again, there will be 30 question which will carry 1 marks. Okay, then you have the 10 question which will carry 2 marks each. So rest 2 question will be of 10 marks each. So basically your paper will consist of 40 question. Okay, your paper will consist of 40 question, and those 40 question will be of total 50 marks, as first 30 question are of 1 mark each. Last 10 question carries 2 marks each. So 2 into 10 makes 20, and 30 plus 20 is equal to 50. So your question paper will be of 50 marks. Okay, and you will have 40 questions to be attended. Okay, now once you are done with this, you can check your answers. So here, what is the meaning of troughs? So it was the correct answer was long narrow container. So I got it correct with the green mark. Then the second question, grandma's trying to show importance of salt. So I got this correct and I got the green correct mark. Then I have, so here you can see that the pug mark, you can see the correct answer written below, that is pug mark. Okay, that means that the correct answer was pug mark, but I had chosen foot mark. That was wrong. So they have given me red mark, which shows that it is a wrong answer. Okay, and they will even show that which answer I have chosen. Okay, and they'll even give me the correct answer below. Okay, this is how you can check. Then again, if you can remember that we did running first, then I thought that no, looking is the correct answer, so I have cleared the uh, answer and then choose the looking. But the running was correct answer, so they have given me wrong. Looking was a wrong answer, so they have given me wrong, as I have chosen the wrong answer. Okay, then over here, as I 530 is the correct answer, so I got a green color tick mark which shows that my answer is correct. Then I have um, over here, there is a list of some common British and American words which have same meaning. So here I have to match the meaning with my question, that is biscuit means a cookie. So I have matched it with a cookie. So I got correct. Therefore here it is given 1 on 1. Then here it is lorry. So lorry means truck. So here it is given 1 on 1. Okay, and I have got both the answers correct. Then I have this answer. You can see that I got Indian and the kind of adjective is quality. So I got the correct and it shows me the green mark. If I'll scroll the this way, they'll show me the green correct mark and they'll give me the score 1 on 1. Then here it is sum, that is quantity. I got correct. Green mark correct, 1 on 1. Many, that was number, 1 on 1 and green mark. That demonstrative, 1 on 1 and green mark. Whose, interrogative, 1 on 1, green mark. But are, it was a possessive. So here you can see below that correct answer are possessive is given, and over here a wrong mark, that is a cross mark of red color is given to me, which shows that my answer was wrong. Okay, then here I had a paragraph. Uh, no, before that, I had to complete the sentence that my mom had to go back to England. So the correct answer was after 4 months to manage things at home. But I have chosen after few months so as to manage things at home. So I have to read the sentence carefully. Okay, you might seem that both the answers are correct, or both the points are same, but no, you have to read them very minutely and very precisely, that whether that what difference does it makes and how, which one is the correct answer. You can see that this question carried 2 marks, and just because I have made it wrong, I got 0 out of 2. Okay, then I'll have the paragraph which I have to read and answer the question, and on the basis of that, this they'll give me right or wrong. Here you can see that this question carried 2 marks, and as I got it correct, they have given me 2 on 2. Okay, so this is how I have performed, and this were the correct answer, and if they have even shown me the wrong answer with the correct one. Okay, look students, you'll get the link. You have to click on the link. You have to attend all the questions. You have to go through all the questions. After submitting your form, you'll get the results. That is, you'll click on view score and you'll get the result. Once you get the result, you can check which one is correct and which one is wrong. After you are done with that part 2, you can you are completed with your exam and you have even saw your results. Okay, now here students, there is a piece of information that your entire exam will only consist of only and only MCQ questions. I repeat, only and only MCQs. That means that you'll have the options for each question. You are not going to have any question and answers. I repeat, you are not going to have any question and answers. I repeat, you are not going to have any question and answers. You'll only have the questions which have the options given, and you have to choose the correct option for your question. I hope that I was very much clear to you all, and this video was very much helpful to you all. Okay, so this was a revision for your periodic test. Okay, thank you so much, students. Have a good day. Stay safe. Take care of yourself as well as of your families.